Hi, this is Miss Peters, and I wanted to talk to you about the first day of school. It can be a little intimidating, but the number one rule for you is to not stress on day one. Things will go wrong. Links won't work. Your kid won't be loaded in something. Maybe your kid just doesn't want to work that day. Take it in stride. Day one is supposed to be fun. Look up a fun activity you guys can do together. Paint outside. Go to the park. At most, parents, get in there and look at the curriculum with your child. Maybe do a lesson. Do not stress about following that schedule to a T on day one. Not allowed. Okay? I want you to get in there. I want you to get familiar with it. I want you to try a lesson with your kid. Those are the goals for day one. You guys are embarking on an incredible journey with your child, and sometimes that will be easy and sometimes that will be hard. You may have to take away phones, you may have to take away games to get your point across, but I promise you guys will survive it, and there will be more good times than bad. I also want to tell you that you are not alone. Okay, I promise. You can reach out to me. You can reach out to other homeschool moms in your area, and I highly encourage it because you are not alone. Even though it feels like it when you're at home and the only person there staring at you is your child is being obstinate. But you are not alone, and I promise you this journey is worth it, and you guys will look back on this time together and love it. So, again, reach out to me if you need me. Follow the guides that I provided to my pre-K through 8th graders in your folders, and high schoolers, follow your emails. It means you have to click on them and open them. But they're there to help you, and so am I. I hope you guys have a great school year.